Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how you can use eye tracking and how you can set this up. Alright, this video will cost you around 2 minutes, and after this you will exactly know how to use eye tracking. And first I need to tell you, it's a very tough option. I don't prefer to use it, but I will show you how to do this. Alright, go to settings, then scroll to accessibility, scroll down and go to eye tracking. Then turn on eye tracking, and right now he will ask you to set this option up. So now hold your eyes to the dot where it asks to. Now it's left in the top. This setup costs you around 1 minute, so please hold your eye or eyes on the dot that will zoom out. This was the setup, and right now if you hold our eyes to the as if touch, and we want to go to home, so hold our eyes on home. We go to our home screen. Alright, and right now if we scroll and want to open an application like Facebook, hold our eyes on Facebook. And right now we can open Facebook with our eyes. Alright, this is how it works. It's very hard to use this option because you every time need to look to the option with your eyes. So if you go away or check an app, it's very hard to use this option. So I don't like this option, but this is exactly how you can use it and how it works. Alright, if you have any questions, please comment them below. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.